This is not my usual content, but sometimes when you're a small business, before you can pay people to do the complicated things, you have to figure out how to do a few things for yourself. So if you use WordPress, if you need a simple form, or you already use WPForms, and you use Calendly for your scheduling, and you need to integrate the two, then this tutorial's for you. The first thing we're going to do, go to your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, Add Plugin. I'm going to search for WPForms. All one word. Install now. Activate. Now, under WPForms on the left-hand side, we'll go to Add New Form. Create blank form. So we've got our basic free options on the left. We're just creating a basic form that we want to go straight to Calendly. Let's choose name first, then email, and then phone number. And since phone is an extra feature down here, we're just going to use single line text. And click on that, change that to phone. Under the advanced tab, you can add placeholder text. For our purposes, we're just going to use this form right out of the box. With the free version of Calendly, you get one event type. If you have not signed up with Calendly, just go to calendly.com, sign up, and once you've signed up, you should see a screen like this. We're going to click New Event Type, and we're just going to click One-on-One. We're going to name our meeting. We want to name it something that's very clear for our visitors. So I'm going to name it 30-minute phone meeting. We're not going to use phone call under location because for some reason the phone field doesn't match up when you're auto-populating your form field to Calendly's form field. So we're going to bypass this. Go to All Options, Custom. I'm just going to call this phone meeting. Now you can configure your availability. Weekdays 9 to 5. Sounds good. And go to More Options. It's here we're going to configure our Calendly form to match our WordPress form. Go to Invitee form. Name and email is perfect. We're auto-populating these fields, so we don't need anything fancy. And down under Invitee questions, question 1, this is where we're going to set our phone field. So phone number, required, and instead of multiple lines under answer type, we're going to choose one line. Save changes. Now we're going to close this. So under 30-minute phone meeting, we see copy link. So copy that link. And now let's go back to our form. We have our form ready to go. Go to settings on the left, confirmations. Now from here, we're going to redirect our form. So go to URL redirect. And now we're going to paste that URL into our field. And you can open confirmation in a new tab. We're going to go ahead and do that. And then select Save. If you want your visitor to fill out the form field all over again, this is enough. This is going to take your visitor from your website to your Calendly calendar where they can pick a day and a time to have a phone meeting with you. But if you don't want them to have to fill out those forms all over again and you want it to auto-populate, we're going to have to manually add the string to the end of this URL. If you want to copy and paste exactly what goes here, just follow the link in the description, Scroll down to step 3. And then under number 3 of step 3, copy and paste this entire string. The question mark marks the beginning of the string. So that's our URL. At the very end, I'm copying and pasting. What we have is the beginning of our merge tags, name equals, and then a space, and then last name, email. A1 represents the field we created for phone in Calendly. Select Save. Now we're going to go to Embed. From here, you can use an existing page, you can create a new page, or in our case, I'm just going to use a short code, copy the short code, and then go to a test page on my site. So now we're going to Pages. I'm going to create a new page. And I'm going to call it Calendly Form. Now I use Elementor, but you don't have to use Elementor, so I'm going to skip that for now. I'm going to hit Publish, and then I'm going to paste my short code. Don't forget to hit Save again. Now if you want to preview your changes, you can go to the right and select Preview Changes. In my case, I'm just going to go to the page I created. This is a developer website, so it doesn't have a header or footer. So now I'm just going to enter my name. I always use Jane Doe for testing. Email at domain.com. Phone number is 123-456-7890. And hit Submit. Calendly opens in a new tab. Let's go with the 16th at 9 a.m. Next. And there it is, Jane Doe, email at, phone number. What if you want to send your visitors to a thank you page on your website? As you can see here, I have a thank you page already, so you can create one from scratch. Once you do, copy and paste the URL, go back to your 30-minute meeting, select the gear icon, edit, more options, confirmation page, and then right here we select redirect to external site, and I've already got the URL posted. Save changes and we're done. Thank you so much for following this tutorial. I hope it was useful. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Until next time.